So this is the hall bath. We've renovated a couple things about it. New lighting. Nope, that's about it. We just put some lights in and painted the walls. I was going to leave this one alone for a while and just use it as is, but I found a couple of the pieces we needed super cheap, so we're going to pull the trigger and get this project done right now. First thing to do is the funnest part, ripping everything apart.
Probably a pipe right there. Gotta be careful. And just like that, it's gutted.
Now we gotta start putting everything back together. We ripped out all the tile on the wall and replaced it with drywall. And the shower's going in. Still working on the faucet fixtures for the tub before I put that last piece of rock up there. And then we'll get that all tiled. Coming along.
Oh my goodness. Vanity's in. This freaking sucker is heavy. Oh my goodness. But how nice does that look compared to what it was? So nice. And I got this sucker on sale. It was super cheap.